Tingin ko they're enjoying it. Kasi, nakakuha na sila ng mga pabor sa due process na ito. Naligtasan nila yung first, impeachment complaint because of due process. It was given to them by the Supreme Court, not only the favor of, the ruling siding with their, motion, but the very process of filing the motion, 'no, to the Supreme Court. That's part of due process.
Hmm.
Tapos, dito, hanggang ngayon, to the last point I think 'no, they will be using it at weaponizing the otherwise right of both the accused and the accuser na, mabigyan ng enough na panahon, enough na, pagkakataon na idepensa o patunayan ang kanilang, aligasyon, sa korte. Ngayon ginagawa mong weapon to delay or even evade 'no, yung akusasyon. Parang yun yung problema na